Welcome! Ever wonder about the stories our dreams tell us? Imagine a young girl peacefully asleep, bathed in a soft, ethereal glow. In her slumber, she steps into a forest, a place of wonder and mystery. A majestic lion walks before her, a symbol of strength. Then, a gentle giant, a magnificent elephant, ambles past, embodying wisdom and grace. A long, sinuous snake glides by a tree, hinting at hidden knowledge. Though a touch surprised and a little scared, her face holds a remarkable calm. The world around her shimmers in a magical blue hue. As the dream unfolds, the creatures turn towards her, their gaze filled with a silent question. What does this dream signify? It's a beautiful, enigmatic journey, leaving us to ponder the depths of our own subconscious. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of dreams. If you found this intriguing, feel free to follow along for more.